second because it is a piece. And I'm going to show you an easy way to remember it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the concert that you're about to. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b to the minus 4ab all over 2a. Hold your applause. I know that was beautiful. So you don't even have to tell me. I know it's already great. So let's sing it together. If you have someone else in your house, I want them to look at you like you are crazy. So 3, 2, 1. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ab all over 2a. And I did not hear you. You were not loud enough. You need to go again. Make those other folks in your house and make your dog do the head tilt. A 3, a 2, a 1. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. All right, now let's actually talk about what it is and use it, and let's take a look at what are some great things about the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula will work for any and every quadratic equation. I repeat, the quadratic formula will work for any quadratic equation. Whereas factoring, if it doesn't factor in discrete numbers, you can't use it. Completing the square, there's some crazy things you have to do, and sometimes it's dependent. For taking the square root, which is what we'll talk about later, you cannot have a p term. So there are times that you can't use the other methods. The quadratic formula will come through for you. Another thing I want you to notice is that it's already solved for x. When we are solving quadratic equations, we want to find that x value. And when it's a quadratic equation, it's raised to the power of 2, so we know that we need two solutions. If you look right here, we have that plus or minus that gives us our two solutions. So all we have to do is plug and chug. Plug in those numbers and simplify. So 9, we have a is 1, b is negative 11, and c is negative 80. Coefficient. One thing I would highly recommend you doing every time you use the quadratic formula is to write it out before you use it. It's going to help you remember it. It's going to help you substitute the values in correctly. And it's going to make so much fun. So negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. That's Alright, so now you can see we have three values, and we have those a, b, and c over here. So we substitute them. Negative 11 plus or minus a big square root of negative 11 squared minus 4 times a all over 2 times a. One thing that you really need to take note of is there's this that negative is. Does not change what your b value is. So this looks like a monster, but if you just simplify it one step at a time, it's really not that bad. A double negative here makes positive 11 plus or minus a big square root, negative 11 squared is equal to 1 minus 4 times 1, which is 4 times 80, which is 320. Add those together and we get 4. We need to simplify that radical, and 441 is minus 21, 10, and 2 goes to 5. Then our heading goes to the right side of the line. A term is 5. Minus 4, 5, negative 4 times 5 would be 20, and negative 12. I don't believe it's 120 is a perfect square, but it's real. I didn't think that 441 was a perfect square, but it ended up being a perfect square. I don't think that's it ends in a 0. So easier. 11 prime, 5 times 2, 2 that can come out, and 5 times 11. They split, so radical 2, radical 5. And you can simplify as long as only if you can simplify both. You can't simplify both, and you can't simplify both. 2 goes into 10, 10, and 2, so 2 goes into 10, 5 times, so plus 1, 2 goes into 1, 5, and 2 goes into 5. No, the 5 cannot cancel out because that is subject to subtraction. Don't have another here, you cannot cancel out. So that plus minus gives us our key solution. I'm going to do 2 more quadratic formulas in my next video. So if you think you got it, cool. If you don't, I would watch it. So if you get to this point, let's see what emotion the chat. Put the thing in the chat.